During this module, we have talked about opinions. An opinion text is often written to persuade others to accept your point of view on a topic. Using facts helps to convince others of your opinion. Let's look at this chart to learn more about the elements of an opinion writing piece. Eating fruit is good. That's the introduction where you state your opinion. Fruit helps your body grow. Fruit tastes yummy. This is the body of your writing piece. You support your opinions with reasons, facts, and examples. Eating fruit is good for you and fruit tastes good. This is the conclusion where you restate your opinion. Finally, at the bottom, you list your sources. You write where your information is from. Can you think of a time where you convinced someone of your opinion?